My brothers and sisters, we have seen how important the issue of property and life is. The wealth that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, Allah has set laws to protect it. It is yours. When it is yours, nobody can claim it, nobody can steal it, nobody can usurp it. And at the same time, the life that Allah gave you is yours. Allah is the giver of life. He is the one who has the right to take that life away. Nobody can claim your life falsely. Nobody can accuse you of murder or murder you. Evidence must be presented, and that evidence needs to be absolutely acceptable. So this is why the two issues are made mention of in this particular hadith, to protect us and to ensure that people don't just claim what actually belongs to us. Similarly, if a person is guilty, say for example, there is wealth within someone's possession that is not theirs, that they have either stolen or wrongly earned it, or doesn't belong to them at all, and evidence is presented that is beyond doubt, in that particular case, the wealth needs to be returned back to the owner based on the previous hadith we mentioned, la darara wa la dirar, as well. So it is also evidence to prove that this has to go back. You cannot cause harm to someone by taking their wealth away. The Sharia comes in to say that wealth needs to be returned because this person is guilty. If that wealth was taken and evidence was presented that the wealth was taken mistakenly, in that particular case, what would happen is the wealth would be returned, but the person would not be penalized. But if they did it intentionally, they would be penalized as well. The penalization should be in accordance with the crime. So if a person, for example, has stolen an egg, the penalization is according to the stealing of an egg. And if a person has, for example, caused much more harm and damage, the penalization will be according to the amount of damage that they have caused. So my brothers and sisters, this hadith is amazing. Like I said, it is so powerful. It expresses and explains the justice system and how it works, the issue of evidence and how it works. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has asked us to be very careful in this regard. Let's never believe accusations and allegations, be they online or offline, until they are proven beyond doubt to be true. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect every single one of us.